नमस्कार दोस्तों, मैं हूँ रश्मि सोनी और मैं आज आपके लिए लेकर आई हूँ एक और नया एजुकेशनल वीडियो। लेट्स ट्राई दिस लेसन टुडे। वीडियो को एंड तक ज़रूर देखिएगा क्योंकि इसमें मैंने बहुत सारे टिप्स, टेक्निक, हाउ यू कैन डू लेयरिंग एंड हाउ यू कैन इम्प्रूव इन दिस आर्ट जर्नी सभी कुछ बताया है। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं दिस लेसन। लेट्स स्टार्ट। तो लेट्स ड्रॉ फर्स्ट by making the proper envelope and marking. You have to draw. I marked for the head and face and the legs, so I'm making the face first and then deciding how much space is there for everything. So I'm making the ear, hair, and then the shape of the hair. Properly take the small cap that he is wearing and decide the outer layer, outer line. If you want to learn about the proportion and about the fundamental of the drawing, my drawing fundamental book is available and you can see the icon on the screen. The link is there in my description. If you want to purchase, you can please go and check out the link. And let me complete the drawing. Make the hands and make the shoes. This is such a cute porcelain object. A little cute boy. It remember me that Parle Ji boy. Somehow that hand is also there on the cheek, the other hand. And one hand is there on the shoes. Small cute boy, and I really like this object. So I thought to paint this just to show my basic wash. Once you done the drawing, we start with the basic wash. So what is the basic wash? First understand. Basic wash is the first wash that we start our painting, and that is very important wash because that will actually showcase all your painting, the final work of your painting, that how smooth is there, how transparent is there, and how beautifully you handled the flow of the watercolor. So that's why this basic wash is very important. And I am just applying everywhere a very light raw sienna and little lavender mix because it's white, a little off white object. So I wanted to give little yellowish and little blue so that it can give a little neutral effect. And the hair is all golden, so I applied all raw sienna color. I left the white, paper white, for the highlight. So that is very important thing. You have to just check out where the highlights are there, where the shine is there. Based on that, you need to leave the space. Leaving space is a very good practice rather using masking. If you are not comfortable leaving the space, then you can definitely use the masking fluid to protect the paper white. But I always suggest to my students that practice leaving the space. That will help you to do quickly. You will be more independent. You will not be dependent on the masking fluid and applying it, drying it. After removing, you have to correcting those mark that is there. So for that, it's good practice that if you can develop this habit by leaving the space. Now I am just giving a little detail all on my hairs. So you can see my first wash is almost done on the face, and that's why I have come for the detailing on the hair part. And I'm again leaving the little highlight part on the hair because on the hair also little shine is there because it's a porcelain object, so it's like it's shining a lot. On some places light is reflecting a lot on that smoothie surface, so that's why I am leaving little sharp edges on my highlights, and I'm not blending them because the highlights are really sharp. Upper area on the hair will be little dark and blended, so I have blended them because this is again little away from the light also, so the direct light is not coming on that. And the hat, small hat, the shadow of the hat, and then little more detailing on the hair part, basically the shadow of the hair locks, they are there, so I'm just making them so the hair will also get the volume. And now I'm giving detailing on the eyes as well. I used a little gray color for the eyes and applied little gently, nicely, and the lines has to be very thin because a smaller object, and small eyelash. Keep the brush very thin and fine when you do that. And I'm using transparent gray color here again, leaving that highlight again on the eyes, white dot. I left it there, just draw it, and I colored around. Now I'll just make a little highlight over the reflected light over the face, so that the face will also get the volume just like our hair get. And slowly the shading part has to finish, and then I have to come to the bottom part. So the pants is blue, so I'm making the pants blue. I'm using cerulean here, and then later little ultramarine for the depth and the shadow. First cerulean, the first wash, and now see I have taken little ultramarine so that I can make the planes of the leg also. Now I'm using gray color, Payne's gray, for the shoes. Remember here also leaving the highlight is important because it's a porcelain object, it will reflect the light little more sharply. I'm leaving this part again. For all those techniques that I'm telling, my Mastering Drawing Fundamental book will help you a lot for learning all those concepts and terms that I use generally. So the book is again displaying on the screen. The link is there in the description. Please go ahead and check. Now I'm making the shadow. Shadow will again give you the volume of your object, so very important. And when you start the shadow, you have to see how it is dark. When the shadow starts from somewhere, it is very dark. I'm just making the background also little dark, so our object will get a little volume and it will come little in the front, or it will pop up maybe from the background. Little bit flowy effect around the object. Now you see how beautiful it has come. Beautiful and lively.
अगर आपको हमारा ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो आपको 3 काम करने हैं। पहला, इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर लें सो दैट ऐसे ही वैल्यूएबल और एजुकेशनल कंटेंट हम आपके लिए लाते रहें। दूसरा, बेल आइकन को जरूर ऑन कर लें सो दैट जब भी हम नया वीडियो अपलोड करें आपके पास नोटिफिकेशन आता रहे। और तीसरा, अपने किसी एक फ्रेंड के साथ इस वीडियो को जरूर शेयर करें सो दैट उनको भी अपने आर्ट जर्नी में इम्प्रूव करने में हेल्प मिले। थैंक यू दोस्तों, मिलते हैं हम अगले वीडियो में।